Welcome to Auto Show Cars. The 2024 BMW M3 is here, and it's pushing the limits of what a high-performance sedan can do. From its aggressive styling to its race-inspired engineering, this car is built for those who demand speed, precision, and luxury all in one package. Let's start with the exterior. The M3's bold and aggressive design makes a strong statement. The massive kidney grills dominate the front, flanked by sleek LED headlights with BM's signature laser light technology. Large air intakes and sculpted lines give it an aerodynamic edge, while the muscular fenders hint at the power lurking under the hood. Around the back, a carbon fiber reinforced plastic roof, quad exhaust tips, and a subtle lip spoiler enhance both performance and style. Under the hood, the 2024 BMW M3 comes with a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering an impressive 473 horsepower in the base model and up to 503 horsepower in the competition trim. The base model comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, a rare treat in today's high-performance market, while the competition model gets an 8-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but BM's X-Drive all-wheel drive system is available for even more grip and control. Performance-wise, this car is a beast. The competition model can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans on the road. The adaptive M suspension, precision steering, and active rear differential ensure razor-sharp handling on both the track and the streets. M carbon ceramic brakes are available for those who demand the ultimate stopping power. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit featuring premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The M3's interior is loaded with carbon fiber trim, merino leather seats, and optional M carbon bucket seats that provide exceptional support during spirited driving. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 14.9-inch curved infotainment display run BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a customizable M-specific interface. Technology doesn't stop there. The M3 features a head-up display, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. A Harman Kardon premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience when you're not listening to the roar of the engine. The 2024 BMW M3 is the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're taking it to the track or enjoying a spirited drive on the open road, this car delivers an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and test drives.